Hey everyone, so I just wanted to drop by over here and share with you the artworks that got sold this month. This month I did great and I'm so happy and so very thankful for it. You know, you really keep me going, and I just wanted to come over here and personally thank you for each and everybody who likes, each and everybody who comments, each and everyone who is there supporting me, and to all my collectors as well who support my art through their purchases and then give my art a home in their space. That really means a lot. Our homes are our sacred spaces, and we only allow things that make us happy, right? So it's so amazing to know that my heart, my art my art, my emotions, a little piece of my creation can be a part of your home. That's so encouraging. So thank you so much, for keeping me going and for helping me make more and more art, and for all the love that you have for my work. That really means a lot. So with that being said, let's move ahead and let's look at the artworks that got sold this month. And not only the artworks got sold this month, I had an amazing news to share with you, and that news is that I have also been selected by an art gallery, and that's definitely a really dream come true. Thank you so much to God for helping me go forward with my art. So I wanted to share with you that as well, that my one of the galleries, called Laguna Art Gallery, it has selected me as an artist. Then they'll be representing my works, and I'm creating some exclusive works just for their gallery. One of the works that I'll show you right now is going to their January show. So before I ship it today, I have to ship it and I have to send it out as well, so that it reaches there before Jan. So one of my artworks that has been selected for the January show, I will be sharing with you that, and I will also be sharing with you the artworks that will be available on their online website. So yeah, before the new year not before the new year ends, before this year 2022 ends, it has been amazing, and I just wanted to share with you, because I have been in that place where it has really been a struggle and it has been not very good as an artist. I know it has been, I know how it feels, and when things are not going our way, when things are taking a lot of time, it has taken, of course, a lot of time and heartache for me to reach where all this is happening. But I had to go through a lot of failed artworks, I had to go through a lot of rejections, I had to go through a lot of nights where I was crying and telling my husband that why are things not happening, when will things start happening for me. And there has been a lot of days when I just wanted to give up as well. So that's why I just wanted to share these happy moments that with you, so that just if anybody is feeling that things are not happening, or you're not going anywhere, or you're still not able to see that light, I just wanted to say that just stick to it, just be there. It will happen to you. It will happen to you when you continuously are there, without giving up, trying to make things happen for you. But just in few artworks, or just trying once here and there, if you decide to give up, then you may not see the light that you want to see. But if you're persistent, and if you're consistent, and if you're ready for the hard work that goes into it, you will see that light. I promise you that. So that was one more reason I wanted to show you this happy moment of my life, because things will happen. Just be there, things will happen. It's taken me years for things to finally happen for me as an artist, and they will happen for you as well. Just trust me. So yeah, I think enough of the TED talk kind of stuff. Just let's go ahead and let's look at the artworks that got sold this month, and the artworks that have got selected at the Laguna Art Gallery. And if you are in California, I will leave the address of the Laguna Art Gallery or description or somewhere. If you are somewhere around there, I would love for you to go check out my artwork in person at the gallery for their January show. So thank you so much again, and let's look at the artwork that got sold this month. Okay, so I have laid out all the artworks that got sold and that got selected in the gallery as well over here on my bed, and I will take you through them one by one. But I also wanted to say that, you know, the colors that you see on the camera are never exactly how they are in person. In person, the colors are so much more beautiful. I don't know why the camera never captures the beauty. So first of all, this is the water buffalo or bhains that I created, and I really love this one. It's definitely one of my favorites, and with this one I kind of pushed my style a little bit to the next level that I wanted it to be. You know, you see all these little brush strokes that you see all around over here. I was not sure that how it'll turn out, but I'm really pleased with how it turned out to be. So yep, that's the one. And then this Buddha stayed with me for a few months, but I'm so glad finally it found a home, and I'm so glad where it's going as well. So I'm so happy to ship it her way. And then this also is one of my favorites. Can you feel the love in this painting? Let me know in the comment section below. Can you feel the love? Just pause the video and let me know, because I definitely feel a lot of vibrations of love, of, you know, care, of, you know, I'm there for you, all those, you know, happy emotional feelings I feel in this. So yeah, and this is a cute little pug. I love the emotions of this painting. The pose of the pug and how it's speaking through lying down on its little legs. So yep. And then this was definitely a challenge that I overcame. Such landscapes and showing depth in them is definitely challenging. Please ignore that little thing kept over there. That's just, you know, I am about to do packaging and stuff. So yeah. Yeah, as I was saying, this is the beautiful landscape. The colors are not justified. It looks so much more beautiful in person. I don't know why the colors are so like in your face. They are like a little subtle in person. And then this one stayed with me for quite a few months, but I'm so glad it finally found home. This was one of the most popular paintings on Instagram, and I also have a workshop of it. I created this, as you can see, in April 2022, and for so many months it stayed with me, but finally it has a beautiful home with a very kind and caring person. And then I have this lady as well. This lady is going to be her sister, and both of them are going together in one home. So yep, that's the one as well. And this was also a little you know, change from my usual style. You may not feel so, but I was definitely trying something new in this one. I don't do white backgrounds usually, and this background has a lot of white in it, and I love the way it's got its finishing as well, and how it's shining and beaming, and how that bird is, all the strokes on the feathers. Everything I love about this painting, and I'm so happy both of them are going together in one home, and both of them found home. And then we have this beautiful peacock. Once again with this peacock as well. Oh god, the colors are so looking saturated in this, but this is so much more beautiful in person. I wish I could share this in person. So to the collector, I want to say that you will love it so much more in person. The colors are, I don't know why, just popping out on my phone. And then we have this cute dog as well. I love this little princess, and as soon as I saw the picture which the client had shared, I was just so inspired. I just took her permission of the client, and I asked her, this is the idea that is there on my mind, and I want to paint this dog if you allow. And she gracefully allowed, and I am so happy the way it turned out. We call her Little Princess. And while applying varnish on this painting, the coat of varnish that I applied was quite thick, so it took me like more than 1 week for the varnish to dry. But finally the varnish is dried, and I am ready to package it and paint it. And I also wanted to add that if you ship an artwork without, when you varnished it and the varnish is not dried properly, the packaging paper might stick to the painting. So make sure that the varnish is totally dried and your artworks have all the beautiful finishing from the sides as well. So here, look at the sides as well. They have to have the beautiful finishing, because your art is like something of an investment as well. When somebody is investing in your art, you've got to make sure that you present it the best way you can. And here comes the Laguna Art Gallery painting. So first we have this huge Ganesha painting, and oh my god, I wish I could just show you the real colors over there. So this painting, once again, I'll show you from the close-up. I love this little mouse, and all the vibrations of and the energies that are going towards this mouse from the Ganesha, the blessings that are being showered on him. I love the entire painting, the concept, and I have never shared with anybody this painting yet. I made it months back because I was saving it exclusively for Laguna Art Gallery. It's a 24 by 36. Yeah, it's 24 by 36 inch painting, so it is quite big. And then this, oh my god, I love the colors of this rhinoceros painting. You can, like, in person, you can actually feel the rhinoceros coming towards you. This painting has a beautiful meaning to it as well. If you want to know what's the meaning behind this rhinoceros painting, send me a DM on Instagram, or send me a message on Messenger. I will explain you the meaning behind this painting. This one is going to the January show at Laguna Art Gallery. And god, my phone, please show us the real colors. See, if I go near it, the colors become a little lighter. When I come back, they become like so much more saturated. So if you are in California, and if you are anywhere around Mission Vijay, that's like the address, so please go ahead. And it's around the Laguna Beach. So if you are there, please go ahead and check out this artwork in person, and you will realize the difference between the photographs of the artwork and the in person. So yep. And this painting is all done, like I have done all the finishing work as well, varnished as well, and I'm about to package it. Now I'll show you the painting behind it. So yep, this is one more beautiful and large painting. This is, I think, 24 by 30. Yeah, and I really challenged myself in this one as well, with my style, with the background, as you can see, with everything. And this painting is oil along with acrylic, so kind of mixed media. And this is also part of Laguna Art Gallery's online website. So if you are looking to invest in some large artworks of mine, then I will leave the link to Laguna Art Gallery, and you can grab any of these if you like. So I am done with sharing with you 3 paintings for Laguna that I created, and then of course all these artworks as well. And I really hope you like it. All these are the sold ones. I have a few available ones as well. So if you're interested in purchasing any of my artworks, or if you want to invest in any of my work, let me know in the DM of Instagram, or you can just contact me on Facebook Messenger. I will share with you the available artworks, or I will tell you wherever that artwork is available from, and you can just grab that. So yeah, these are all the artworks I had to share. I really hope you like them. Please let me know in the comment section below if you like them, and if you have any favorites out of all of these or these, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know that. Okay, so these are all the artworks that got sold this month, and of course, you know, the Lagoon Art Gallery artworks as well, and the Lagoon Art Gallery artwork that I have to just package and ship it for the January show. So thank you so much for watching with me till here, and I'm excited to go to the new year, to 2023, and see where my artwork takes me. I teach all my paintings. If you're interested to learn how to paint my kind of paintings, then I teach all my paintings at my online academy called Artyshils Art Academy. You can just check out Artyshils Art Academy. There are a lot of very in-depth detailed workshops over there. I teach right from the basics of how to apply the techniques. Like I make you practice the techniques first, and then we learn the basics of the drawing, and only after we are done learning the basics, we move ahead to paint the final painting step by step. And all through while you're working on any of my paintings, I'm always there to help, support, and answer your questions as well. And if you're interested in my paintings and directly want to know where you can buy my future works from, you can DM me on Instagram or Facebook Messenger. I of course get back to all the messengers as well. I try and get back to at least 90% of my comments on time. Sometimes they get delayed, but I make sure to get back there as well. So yeah, all the links that you might be interested in are in the description. And thank you so much once again for watching this video till here, and for believing in my art, and for being here with me and supporting me with your likes. And I would love to read in the comment section below what you thought of this little collection that I just shared, and if you enjoyed this video, should I do more of such videos. So thanks again. Bye.